So part of getting around this fast furniture problem is an attitude shift. We have become so accustomed, especially in kind of the more privileged West, to thinking, well, if I want something, I'm just going to go out and buy it new. And if I don't want something anymore, I'm just going to throw it away.
With St. John, KCBS. Coming up on KCBS, I'm Holly Kwan. Don't turn your back on the ocean. Sneaker waves are on the way.
The name implies they're sneaky.
They are sneaky. KCBS News Time 12:45 in baseball. Game 3 of the World Series is now set for tonight after it was rained out yesterday. Here's Ted Ramey with sports.
The 49ers are coming off a big win in L.A. on Sunday, downing the Rams. And 49ers head coach Kyle Shanahan, when speaking with the media on Monday afternoon, said that they were not perfect yesterday, but they did a much better job of not being their own worst enemy.
I mean, we definitely still made some mistakes in this game, but when we did, we were able to survive it. You know, I think in the past, when we made these mistakes, we either turned the ball over. Instead of giving up a first down, we gave up close to a touchdown, if not a touchdown. I thought the mistakes we made here didn't kill us, which gave us a chance to overcome them, and we did that.
The 49ers are off this upcoming week with the bye. As for their plans,
we met today, just reviewed all the stuff from yesterday. They're going to come in tomorrow. We're going to get a workout, have a quick meeting, and do a little bit of football stuff, nothing versus each other, just get them moving and stuff, and then we're going to let them go until Monday.
49ers return on the 13th of November, hosting the Chargers on Sunday Night Football from Levi's Stadium. More fallout from college football, the post-game brawl in the tunnel at Michigan Stadium, in which multiple members of Michigan State attacked 2 players on Michigan. 4 players on Michigan State have been suspended. Jim Harbaugh, head coach of the Wolverines, said that a police investigation was underway and that he was sickened by what he saw on multiple camera angles.
It's clear what transpired. It seems very open and shut, as they say. Watch the tape.
The Big Ten said yesterday they were gathering information and that they plan to take appropriate action. At the sports desk, Ted Ramey, KCBS.
Kirby is your driveway mechanic. They bring the shop to you with brake replacements, oil changes, washes, and so much more. Get $50 off your first oil change with code OIL50 at Kirby.com. That's CURBEE.com and use code OIL50.
The best deals of the year are here at the Living Spaces Black Friday event. Shop the leading selection at the lowest prices with stylish sofas, relax, dining sets starting at $250, queen beds starting at $195, and a huge selection of accessories and home decor at unbelievable prices. Plus, get special financing through 60 months on any purchase with your good credit, and get it all fast with free next-day shipping only at the Living Spaces Black Friday event. Living Spaces.
At Uline, they know going the extra mile takes hard work. For companies pushing to go further, Uline will go the distance with you. 24/7, they answer the phone to get you the shipping and industrial supplies you need. Business can move fast. Unexpected large orders, adverse weather, new safety guidelines, and changing economic trends. Uline works hard, keeping 38,000 items ready to ship, minimizing detours on your way to the extra mile. Visit uline.com.
Shouldn't you breathe clean air all day, every day? Help protect yourself with IQ Air's Health Pro Plus Air Purifier, the #1 large room air purification choice for viruses. These Swiss-made air purifiers were chosen by the Hong Kong Hospital Authority not only for SARS-CoV-1, but also SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. Using patented, industry-leading hyper-HEPA filtration, the Health Pro Plus captures particles down to 0.003 microns, the smallest that exists. Now and for a limited time only, use the promo code KCBS5 and save 5% on your Autumn or Health Pro Plus air purifier. Visit IQAir.com/US or call 888-409-6202. That's IQAir.com/US or call 888-409-6202. Help protect your loved ones and get the healthy indoor air that you deserve today.
KCBS News Time 12:48. We'll take a look at your 6-day forecast after we connect with Carolyn Burns.
Oh, you know, we have to head back to that Richmond area on westbound 80. This is before Central Avenue, a car that ended up crashing and ended up on that center divide wall. CHP is there. They're also blocking that left-hand lane. We are seeing traffic in that area that has been slow from Cutting Boulevard there. But once we are also seeing now that it is starting to recover, it looks like traffic is getting a little bit better as you try to get by the scene. If you're in Vallejo on eastbound 80 just before Springs Road, we had an earlier two-car crash that's blocking the left lane. Traffic there is still a little bit backed up from before 780. Sunnyvale, northbound 101 on the Lawrence Expressway off-ramp. It's a two-car crash there. It is blocking that left-hand lane. CHP is on scene. Doesn't look like traffic is having too much of a problem getting by. Your next traffic update is at 12:58 on the traffic leader, KCBS. Yeah, the clouds drifting by this morning. Lows in the 50s. The front will move in this morning at 6 or 7 o'clock in the North Bay, moving south, windy and rainy across much of the Bay Area later today, highs in the upper 50s. And then it'll be partly cloudy, and there's still a chance of scattered showers and colder temperatures, especially overnight. A couple of days, highs mid to upper 50s at the coast, low 60s by the Bay and inland. And then another front in the forecast bringing rain Sunday into maybe Monday. San Francisco Airport, partly cloudy in the 58. It's clear in Napa right now. 51, cloudy in Santa Rosa, 46. And it is cloudy in San Jose, and 57, 58 degrees here in San Francisco along the Embarcadero. Traffic and weather together on the 8s on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS. KCBS News Time 12:50. Casey Clay is at the editor's desk this morning. I'm Elisa Clancy. We've been telling you about all the rain that's coming in today ahead of this. There are always sneaker waves here in the Bay Area expected along the coast, prompting the National Weather Service to warn of hazardous conditions. More in this report from KCBS's Holly Kwan. We're talking about all the northwest-facing beaches from Point Reyes to Pacifica to Monterey Bay. Large breaking waves up to 19 feet.
Basically, think of the wind far away as pushing up a bunch of water, and then the longer it takes them to reach it, the more energy it can build.
Dalton Berenger with the National Weather Service says it's not a matter of not going in the water if you're, say, a surfer. It's knowing when those sneaker waves may show up, and that could require watching the surfer as much as a half hour to time things out. And the energy from those sneaker waves doesn't dissipate once they break.
Really, what that causes an extra run-up of water. So, especially if you're people who aren't out in the surf, if they're along the beach, it's really not the breaking that you have to worry about. It's the extra run-up onto the beach caused by that breaking.
When you think you're sitting far enough away from the surf line, but it turns out the sneaker waves can run 50 to 100 feet up the sand, depending on the shape of the beach. These waves also have enough energy to dislodge and move large objects like logs. Don't be underneath them. Call it form KCBS. A shark interacted with a surfer in the Monterey County city of Pacific Grove on Monday. At about 5:17 p.m., a surfer off Otter Point encountered a shark approximately 100 yards from the shore. And the shark grazed and bumped his board, throwing the surfer off of it. And the surfer paddled to shore uninjured. The board is being tested to potentially determine the shark species. Signs will be posted to notify the area of the shark encounter, and access to the coast remain open as per California state protocol. Turns out not only is Halloween one of the sweetest holidays of the year, it's also one of the most dangerous for children. KCBS's Alice Works reports. For many, it's a fun-filled evening with costumes, excitement, and candy. But what many families don't realize is Halloween is one of the most dangerous evenings of the year for children.
The potential danger of children being out on the street, especially when it's dark at night.
Dr. Lois Lee is a professor at Harvard, as well as an ER physician specializing in pediatrics. Masks that cover the face and limit peripheral vision can be challenging for kids to see trip hazards and oncoming cars.
Especially with younger children, it's important for adults to have proper supervision of kids.
And parents and teens need to be careful, whether they're walking or driving.
Both distracted driving and possibly distracted pedestrians, right? If you have teenagers and adolescents walking around, and maybe even parents on their phones, distracted and not able to supervise kids in the same way.
Striving to keep the kids seen is always a great idea.
So you can use reflective stickers or give them a special flashlight.
Alice Works, KCBS. A federal judge has blocked Penguin Random House's proposed purchase of Simon & Schuster.
The judge issued a brief ruling Monday agreeing with the Justice Department that the joining of two of the world's biggest publishers could lessen competition for top-selling books. Much of the U.S. District Judge Florence Y. Payne's ruling remains under seal because it contains confidential information. Penguin